Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a role on Discord server. So let's go to the top over here, click on your server name and then go to server settings. Now click on roles over here and click create role button in order to create your first role. At the top you can name your role. Below that you have role color, where you can select any color that you want to use for the role, or you can use a custom color by clicking over here, and then you will see this color picker which allows you to choose specific color. If you want to close this color picker box, simply click outside of it. Below that you have role icon, however you need to have server boost level 2 in order to have access to this feature. Here you can separate this role from other roles on the members list, and here you can allow anyone to mention this role if you want to. Here you have view server as role button, which allows you to pretty much check if the role is properly set up. Here you can check if the role has access to certain features, let's say certain channels, and allows you to make sure that everything is set up correctly. And at the bottom, you will also see this information every time you make any change to this role. So click Save Changes button in order to save the changes. However, at the top you can also change the permissions. Let's switch to Permissions tab in order to see the options. Here you can set up the permissions for the role, what the role should be able to do and what not. And at the very bottom you can also find Administrator, which allows you to pretty much grant every permission for this role. So pay attention to that. Make sure that you don't give this option for roles that should not have this feature, since every member that is in that role with Administrator enabled will have every permission, so keep that in mind. Over here we have links, which allows you to create requirements. For instance, I'm gonna click on the requirement button and then I can choose Reddit. And if I do so, then this means that every member that is in that role needs to be connected to Reddit account through Discord. And over here I can also select additional requirements. If you want to remove this, then over here you have the remove button over here. And last but not least, we have manage members. Here you will see all members that belong to that role, to that group. And if you want to add a member, this is how you can do this. For instance, over here you have this button, add members. If you click over here, you will see the members of your server, and then you can select anyone that you want to have in that role, and then click add to add the person to the role. And that's pretty much it. If you want to remove the person, then of course over here you have this cross, and then you can confirm that you want to remove that person from that role. And that's pretty much it. The role is set up over here, and here you can see every roles that you have on your server. If you want to add more roles, over here you have this plus sign, which allows you to create a new role immediately. And if you want to remove this role, you can right click and then you will see this delete button, and then you can press OK to confirm that. Over here you can also find the create role button if you see this window instead. And the second option also to add someone to the role, let's close here and let's open the members list. You can right click the member of your server, and then at the bottom you have a role, and then you can select the role to grant him the access to that role. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.